Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing this slime shop which is called Little Shizz, and I really have heard a lot about her slime shop, so I was like, you know what, let's give it a try. These are the two slimes that I ordered, and it also comes with some extras. I also ordered some clay with it, and instant snow. But anyways, this is their care sheet. This is the thank you card. These are the two slimes. Both says butter slime, but on their website, only the pineapple one said it was a butter slime. So I was like, okay, I didn't know both were butter slimes. But obviously, the pineapple one feels more like a butter slime than the other one. Then this is they sent me some glitter as an extra, and borax, and this is the instant snow. I have already opened this to try it if you were wondering why it's like open, and this is their business card. This next one, which is the pineapple butter one, this is one of my favorites. I love it so much. If you want to buy a slime from her shop, buy this one. This is really good. But anyways, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.